In this video, we listed the 5 best lenses for DSLR camera that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Canon EF 100-400mm. The Canon 100-400mm telephoto lens is a compact, high-performance L-series lens designed for sports and wildlife photography. Featuring a focal length range of 100-400mm with a maximum aperture of f/4.5-5.6, it offers versatility and precision for capturing distant subjects. The lens includes a rotation-type zoom ring for precise composition and excellent balance during handheld use, along with a rounded 9-blade diaphragm for smooth bokeh effects. It also features an improved zoom torque adjustment ring for easy customization of zoom tension and has a closest focusing distance of 3.2 feet, 0.98 meters. With Canon's innovative air sphere coating, ASC, the lens effectively minimizes backlit flaring and ghosting. Additionally, it boasts high resistance to dust and water, ensuring durability and reliable performance even in harsh shooting conditions. Number 2. Canon EF 85mm. The Canon 85mm f/1.4L is USM is a telephoto lens designed for Canon EF mount cameras. This L-series lens features image stabilization, providing up to 4 stops of shake correction and a bright f/1.4 aperture for excellent low-light performance and shallow depth of field. It incorporates a GMO aspherical lens element and air sphere coating technology to reduce aberrations and ghosting, and its optical construction consists of 14 elements in 10 groups. As noted, it is the lens only. Number 3. Sigma 24mm. The Sigma 24mm lens, US version, is a wide-angle prime lens designed for Canon EF mounts. Part of Sigma's art line, it prioritizes exceptional optical performance for artistic and creative photography. Key features include a close minimum focus distance of 7.1 inches, super multilayer coating, and a fixed focal length with 1x optical zoom. This lens is engineered to deliver outstanding image quality and is well suited for photographers seeking a premium wide-angle option. Number 4. Sigma 105mm. The Sigma 105mm telephoto lens is designed for Canon EF mount full-frame digital SLR cameras, though it can also be used with APS-C cameras, effectively increasing the focal length to approximately 150mm. It offers a 1:1 magnification ratio for macro photography, focusing as close as 12.3 inches. The lens comes with essential accessories including a hood adapter, lens hood, front and rear lens caps, and accommodates filters with a 62mm thread size. Number 5. Tamron SP 70-200mm. The Tamron 70-200mm telephoto lens is designed for Nikon FX mount cameras and boasts vibration compensation (VC), offering up to 5 stops of stabilization with 3 different modes. It features a minimum object distance (MOD) of 37.4 inches, a maximum magnification ratio of 1 minute and 6.1 second, and a 9-blade circular diaphragm for pleasing bokeh. The lens is compatible with Tamron's tap-in console for customization and optional teleconverters, and includes a lightweight, Arca-Swiss-compatible tripod mount along with a fluorine coating on the front element for protection against water and oil.